I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. We're going to work on a Poulan P3314. It's one of the things from the poor man's flea market. Yeah, they just keep coming, don't they? It was a good day. Thought we were done with the poor man's flea market, didn't you? Well, one more item. I have here a Poulan chainsaw. It's a model 3314. Looks like it's got a fuel line problem because it doesn't want to take a prime. Got gas in the tank. That's got the line on it. Primer seems to be working. Got plenty of compression. Looks like I'm going to have to look at the carburetor. And I'm going to have to dig out the vise so that I can clamp this up and do some tests on it. Oh, the bars froze up solid. Somebody has been hard on this. I don't know if it's rusted or what, but somebody didn't do it any favors. Chain's rusted into the bar solidly. bar nuts try to escape. So we captured him. And the nose wheel is okay. This is going to have to be cleaned up. This has barely been run. From the looks of it, seeing as how the chain is rounded on the bottom, I don't think it's ever been sharpened. Hardly needs it. Teeth are still sharp. I bet this got ran once and left someplace to sit in the rain and got rain on the bar and rusted up the chain, because this part of the chain is just stiff as a board. So I'll put this in with a bath of 50-50 and we'll see if we can't get her opened up and get the chain freed up and get her working. Poulan model 3314. Well, that's our first look at it. Looks like it's just neglect. And it's a nearly new saw. So we'll have a 14-inch Poulan going here fairly quick. The gas line's actually look in good shape. Well, I've got the bar and the chain off the Poulan 3314. Got to do some work on that chain. The chain's rusted solid. And then I'm going to be doing some work on the engine. I want to check the spark and look at the lines on the carburetor before I get too far into it. But before I do that, I have some things to get out of the garage. I got too much stuff in here to even work. So that'll be my first project. Clean out the garage and get everything ready to go. Then I can start working on that engine seriously. That'll give that chain time to sit in the 50-50 and loosen up. Well, there's the chain for the 3314. We'll let that soak for a little while and see what happens. Well, I know what's going to happen. It's going to loosen up. Because you can't be thrifty with a 50-50. That combination of automatic transmission fluid and acetone will eat through all that rust and have this thing freed up and working just like a charm. There we go. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching.
This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the U.S. or 16 in the European Union without the express written permission of the parents or the legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.